Today we are looking at the Bosch KIS86AF30G fridge freezer in. Visit the Cool Kitchen website, link in the description below this video for more information. With some great cooling features, ample storage space and impressive A++ energy efficiency, the Bosch KIS86AF30G integrated fridge freezer is a reliable modern appliance for the family kitchen. Fridge storage to meet your needs, providing a large refrigeration space with 4 adjustable shelves. Their KIS86AF30G gives you plenty of room to store and organize your food and drink. A HydroFresh box compartment keeps fruit and vegetables fresh for up to twice as long thanks to optimized humidity. A handy VarioShelf allows space for bottle and bowls. The sectioned glass shelf can be separated and slid underneath to make room for other goods. 5-door balconies provide the perfect space for milk, butter, eggs and other smaller items. Freezing food storage. The 4-star freezer sports 3 clear-fronted drawers and a BigBox compartment designed to house larger or awkwardly sized items. Cooling technology. This built-in fridge freezer uses low frost technology to reduce the time it takes to defrost by half. Fresh Sense technology maintains an even temperature throughout the entire fridge interior, keeping foods chilled and full of flavor. Their KIS86AF30G appliance also features Super Cool with automatic deactivation, great for swiftly cooling food to maintain freshness. The freezer offers a reassuring 32 hours of power failure-safe storage time, in large part courtesy of superb insulation. Cooling control. A touch control panel gives you complete temperature control with convenient sensor fields. What's more, a temperature warning will alert you if your food is ever in danger of spoiling. Providing superb quality and convenience, the Bosch KIS86AF30G integrated fridge freezer gives you brilliant storage flexibility and the coolest features. Click on the Cool Kitchen website, link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.